Hello, everybody. Today we're just going to be using NVIDIA Omniverse to add some prop randomization and distribution to some of our levels inside Unreal Engine. And to do that, we're going to be using, I'm going to be using the Bazaar environment from Epic Marketplace. This is a beautiful environment with over 250 assets in it. I highly recommend you go check it out. They've done absolutely gorgeous work. There's tons of different props in here. We're just going to be looking at a small section of it and trying to figure out some workflows that might help us create a more natural environment, layout, and prop distribution very easily. So let's get into it. If we take a quick look around this environment, we'll see very quickly that these artists have built sort of a key assembly, and then they've distributed it around this temple or hallway. And you can see it here with the fruit baskets, and we can see again here, it's the same arrangement of clay pots and vases. And there's nothing wrong with that. Repetition is one of the easiest ways to keep production costs down. So any tools we can come up with that add a bit of randomization are going to pay dividends. And just a final thought on this particular asset. I'm sure that the goal for this team wasn't to spend a lot of time focusing on randomization. They were really building this environment to show off the beautiful asset that they had built. So we're just going to go ahead and grab everything that's in this little assembly, and then we'll export that as a USD and take it into USD Composer. Just check that I've got everything. Here we are in Omniverse. So let's just go ahead and import our USD file. We'll notice that it's maintaining its world position offset from Unreal Engine. We'll be using an extension called Zero Gravity. If you don't see this button on your toolbar, just make sure you enable it. First, we're going to select all of our assets and set them to static, so they won't be involved in the simulation. Then we're going to choose just a few assets here. Again, I'm doing this really quickly. We'll mark these assets as dynamic. Do a quick test here. We'll just drop them. Yep, that seems to be working. Now, if we just grab them and slide them around a little bit, we'll see that the physics are really handling the placement. We can pick them up and do another quick drop just to add some more randomization. And that'll probably be all we need for this demo. But looks nice and random and very natural. Now, I've just noticed that I've done these deltas in simulation on the wrong layer. So we're going to grab all these deltas. We're going to move them onto our proper USD. Then we can save that out, and we should be able to just bring that into Unreal Engine. Just double check that I've got those deltas as well. Okay, and should be good to save. So back in Unreal Engine, of course, we can grab an Omniverse stage actor, and we'll just select our USD file that we want to load in. Just looking around. Everything's here. Oh, I forgot to recenter it to world origin. So we can just go ahead and pull these over into the correct location for us. Normally, I would reset the location inside Composer so we didn't have to do this, but not really a big issue. So here we go. We can place these in the temple. So if we just side by side these, we can see that very natural, messy distribution of the props. And we can just pop back into Composer. We can grab a few more of the vases, push and pull them around a little bit. And we can create a series of variations like this very quickly and easily. And we just load those into Unreal, and we'll have a very natural layout for and distribution for our props. Anyway, that's the video for today. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye.